What's up guys? Welcome back to our show, Toy Friendly Unboxed. And meron tayong bagong episode. Unbox natin itong Genkai Toppa RX-78-2 Gundam. Bagong release lang siya. So, ito yung una nating episode after so many months na wala tayong episode. Ang dami kasing ganap eh. So, anyway, we're back and itong yung unbox natin. So, before anything else, please like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to push that notification bell for announcements on future unboxing episodes and other fun stuff. And nandun tayo sa Shopee, huwag niyo kakalimutan sa shopee.ph/toyfriendly. Punta kayo doon, maraming bargains and awesome deals. And kung gusto niyo ng mga toys na i-feature natin dito, doon punta lang kayo doon. And marami kayong makikitang new stuff, lalo na ngayon, maraming mga bagong release. And yung iba dito, unbox pa lang natin. So, without further ado, here we go. Okay guys, ito yung box niya. Bago natin buksan, tignan muna natin yung pagkaka-box art, no? So, ganda niya, oh. Ganda na pagkakakuha. Ito yung exacto yun sa anime na Gundam RX-78-2. And sa side, yan, oh. Actual photo ng kung ano yung nasa loob. Yan. And meron siyang ganitong klaseng treatment sa photo sa side. Yan. Official logo Gundam sa top. So yan. Buksan na natin to. So yun, dalawang parts lang yung i-assemble natin and solid siya, no? Tingnan natin yung loob. Well packaged naman siya with bubble wrap, so alam mong safe, diba? Ito yung lower part and of course yung torso. Wala siyang kasamang wala siyang kasamang base. So, pero mukha naman siyang sturdy eh. Hindi naman siya babagsak. Yun, reveal. Face reveal. Yan, sakto. So, yan. Didikitin lang. Assemble lang. Yun. Sobrang linis, oh. Diba? Mataas din, no? Taas din siya. 28 centimeters daw to. So, para siyang 1/6 scale. Kita natin para matibay. Ganda. Nice. Ngayon, wala siyang articulation, no? Makita mo. Tapos dito, authentic yan. May serial numbers sa baba. Ganda. Very nice. Maganda to, pang display talaga. Pero hindi mo naman hindi siya yung playability niya. Kumbaga zero. Pero maganda siyang display talaga. Yan, kung fan ka ni Gundam, lalo na yung RX-78-2 na OG, ito. And anime, anime based. Na medyo tinweak lang ng konti, pero more or less ganito yung anime. Yes. Maganda siya. So available to sa store natin. Nasa Shopee store natin siya. Pero kung order kayo dito directly, message nyo lang ako. Nasa 950 siya each. And made of PVC. Solid siya. Made of PVC. Message nyo lang ako kung gusto nyo. Pero kung gusto nyo ng discounts din and other vouchers for other deals, dun tayo. Punta kayo sa shopee.ph/toyfriendly. And let's take a closer look at this Genkai Toppa RX-782 Gundam.
You got me so unwrapped and unboxed. We're chasing dreams hand in hand. Through every storm we'll make our stand. Your smile's my compass, my guiding star. No matter how far we'll go where we are. Every step, every breath, it's a dance. In your eyes I found my chance. I'm breaking free, no longer restrained. In your light I found my name. You got me so unwrapped and unboxed. All my secrets laid bare, no longer locked.
And there you have it, guys. That was our quick unboxing and review of the Genkai Toppa new release RX-782 Gundam from Bandai Namco. And yun, it's a must-have for Gundam collectors of all shapes and sizes. So, hindi siya articulated, and maganda dito yung size niya. No? Parang nasa 12 inches, 1/6 scale. So, 28 centimeters and made of PVC. So, solid siya. And ingatan nyo lang, maganda yung pagkakaputi, lalo na pag bago. No? Bago kasi ito. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell for announcements on future unboxing episodes and other fun stuff. Again, kung gusto nyo makakuha ng mga toys, bebenta tayo. Dito tayo sa shopee.ph/toyfriendly. And pwede nyo rin ako i-message directly sa facebook.com/toyfriendly dun sa Facebook store natin. Again, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next unboxing episode.
Through every storm we'll make our stand. Your smile